we are amongst the final leg of a kitchen remodel. Something that I'm super proud to present to you guys. We went with Fabuwood kitchen cabinetry. The line is Allure. The door series is Galaxy, which means the white shaker look. And the white is called Frost. We partnered with Fabuwood, who's gonna give us the industry's fastest lead time. That means we can get our cabinets in 2 to 4 weeks. The cool thing is being a semi-custom cabinet, they also offer custom colors. That means you can get any color you want out of the Benmore or Shillingham's catalog. With that custom color, they send it through their own factory finish process, where they will sand all the doors down and repaint it for whatever color code you select. Comes with a 35% upcharge on the material, and it does come with a longer extended lead time. But the cool thing is you get any custom color you want. I love working with Fabuwood because of their fast lead time and their quality control. They have 12 standards that they abide by. Today I'd like to cover a couple of them. First and foremost, they offer quality elements throughout their entire build. What does that mean? They use grade A materials through and through. So coming from their plywood down to the solid wood that they select, it's all grade A material. Every professional cabinet has a good quality finish. This Pro Finish is baked on enamel. Well, in my opinion, it's not replicatable in the field. So it's always best to try to get it factory finished. And as the time wears out, let's call this kitchen 10, 15, 20 years old, this material is still good enough to refinish in the future. This kitchen is a very basic entry-level kitchen. We didn't go above and beyond because our customers here, this is their second home. But these tall pantries are super customizable. So if you're interested in adding some fun features to your kitchen, just ask. We work with Remodeling, who provides all of the interior stuff. If you want pull-outs, if you want carousels, if you want door-mounted hardware, we can provide all that for you. Right now, what you're looking at is a tall pantry. That's gonna be awesome for extra food storage, for pots and pans, for any of your big items. All of the shelves are fully adjustable. So you can move your pins up and down so that it can accommodate anything that you need in your kitchen. The finish on the inside is just as good as the finish on the outside. That's one of their 12 points of quality that they like to stand by. We're gonna talk about the superior construction of these boxes as well. Something that really impressed me was the fact that they did a dovetail joint holding the plywood box to the solid wood face. Most companies do a little square notch with some staples on the inside. It works perfect. They adhere it with glue and some staples. But what really impressed me is the additional dovetail on these. That allows for a very strong joint that won't move or separate in the future, and you're not relying on just mechanical and glue. These little white pieces of wood on the side here are gonna give you the anti-warping structure to their boxes. It's gonna keep it nice and square when they ship, and when we get them for the install, our carpenters aren't gonna have to fight with them because they're shifted and warped through transportation, through storage. Yes, they are readily available. They are fast. They provide additional cut downs if you need to modify it, making it a extremely affordable and super fast to get semi-custom cabinet line. Things are to expect when you buy these cabinets. It's gonna have a solid wood face with solid wood drawers. Our drawers are gonna come with a dovetail joint, front and back. These ones will be full extension with soft close glides, as well as our doors. Like we mentioned prior, everything is going to be soft close for your convenience. So again, full plywood box, solid wood faces, solid wood doors and drawers. Now you do have the ability to go with MDF for an additional superior paint finish if that's requested. Come here, I want to show you something really cool here. What we do is, before we put handles on this thing, because our customer hasn't picked it, we'll use a piece of blue tape. But the coolest thing, another quality point of these cabinets, is right here. This is your flush finish on your upper cabinets. Some of you guys might know what I'm talking about when you have glass in here and you get that little edge and it catches. They made this nice and flush so you don't have that issue. They also included really nice metal clips for your shelf. Just extra superior construction, and a little bit more of a peace of mind on the quality of the cabinet that we're providing for you. Right here is your compact Blum hinge. It's got a nice little 1-point release, making it very, very easy for you to take on and take off your doors if need be. These hinges are also soft close. Through and through, all hinges and all doors and drawers are soft close for your convenience. These drawers are going to be full extension. So what full extension means, if you come over here, I'll show you. Don't mind the dust, we just finished the install. Over here, a full extension means that the drawer comes all the way out. These also have really easy clips underneath that allow you to pull the cabinet out. And here's your kit clips with your micro adjustments so that our carpenters can adjust everything so everything's nice and square and parallel to each other. Then you clip it back in, slide it back, and c'est la vie. Over here, we've installed some of their floating shelves. First time ever using Fabuwood's floating shelves. Again, very, very impressed with the quality. These are made out of MDF, which gives you that superior paint finish. MDF allows it to be super, super smooth. If you pull these guys off and you check out the inside, this, to me, is amazing. It's very, very good quality. Gives you a nice, good paint finish. They're strong and they're easy to install. As you can see, it comes with a plywood cleat and metal brackets that will help with the support. Now, not every wall is created equal, so you're going to have some variance. When you push it back, we can scribe the back of them, apply a little bit of sealant, and then we can install a few little tiny screws and fill them up with our touch-up kit, and these guys won't have to move again. We haven't fully installed these yet because we're still painting the backsplash and cleaning it all up. But I wanted to show you what they look like and how easy they are to install. So if you have a need for kitchen cabinetry, if you're looking for a kitchen remodel, don't hesitate to call.